On today's body cam, we're checking out erratic woman couldn't stop yelling.
On October 25th, 2025, police were called about a man and a woman yelling and causing a disturbance. This is what happened that day.
You trying to make me shut up and tone it out. I'm trying to bless you and give you a gift. I'm here to tell you.
All right, look.
I care about you and how much daddy
If y'all don't calm down, you're going to go to jail for disorderly conduct.
I love y'all too much.
All right, you about to go to jail for disorderly conduct. You about to go to jail for disorderly conduct. You about to be going to disorderly conduct. You yelling and screaming in public. Disorderly conduct. I'm only tell you one time. You need to
disorderly conduct.
Listen. I'm not listening to you. I'm not listening.
I didn't disrespect you, officer.
I understand, but I need
Officer
you to put on your
Smith.
shoes.
Officer Smith.
I need you to put on your shoes.
I don't have a home. I'm
okay,
homeless.
that's fine. Put on your shoes. I'm gonna help you out.
Listen. The earth is God.
I can help you.
And the earth.
I can help you.
I'm on me.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm on myself.
All right.
How dare you? This makes me so mad.
Sober up.
Everybody makes me so unhappy.
Okay.
I'm
you about to sober up.
On me.
You about to sober up in CCDC.
This how deep it is. Stop that. That's
you about to sober up. I'm telling you right now. You about to sober up in CCDC.
I will never sober up.
Okay.
You know why? Because even when I'm sober, me and God have a natural high. Back up. So you came up and approached me. Okay. And I like your hair, by the way.
Thank you. But I need you to calm down, okay?
I'm calm.
No, you're not. You're yelling.
I'm very calm.
You're yelling now.
Baby, I want you to understand something.
Listen,
I'm loud naturally.
Okay, but you're yelling. You're doing too much movement.
No. Yes, that's yelling.
All right, go ahead.
No, listen, I'm trying to show you something.
That's all right.
That's yelling. But the way I'm talking right now, I'm just talking.
That's fine.
I'm talking loud.
I got you.
Woo! So now you're arresting on me?
Yeah.
I was giving you a description of loud and yelling.
I got you.
Fuck up, baby. Listen.
Put your hands behind your back. I already gave you the chance.
I didn't do nothing.
Or you gonna go to the ground?
Unbelievable.
I don't want to do
when
that
I yell, that's not yelling?
I don't want to do that to you.
I'm talking loud.
I don't want to do that to you.
Do you know the definition of yelling, baby?
I'm telling you, gonna go
yelling is what mommy did. When I said, that's yelling, you said, I'm yelling. I'm not yelling. I'm talking merely loud.
Boy.
I'm not fighting you.
That's fine.
That's some crazy shit. This is what mommy's talking about. You see what mommy had to go through to talk to you and to say things? Now that's a crime for mommy to talk in public and be herself. It's a crime.
What's your hand?
I'm not moving my hand. It's against the law for me to be myself and to try to reach out to you. You need to get my shoes.
Yeah.
At least.
I try to be patient.
You didn't try to do nothing, and you did not have patience with me.
I tried.
You know, it's. I get it, right? You got to get her off the. You got to get her out of that area because she's being disruptive, right? But in the big scheme of things, this is a big waste of time. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know why? Because the judge isn't gonna do anything with this, right? She's homeless. Even if they say, you know, court fees and fines, whatever, she's not going to pay it. It is what it is. It's just, and, you know, who knows? She might want to actually go to jail because it's 3 hots and a cot. You know what I mean? Better than sleeping out there on the park bench. But this is just a waste of time. Not on the officers, you know, it's not the officer's fault. You know, it's whatever. She's being loud and disruptive. You know, it seems like they got an event going on there and she can't be acting like that. So he's doing his thing. But I'm just saying, in the totality of it, it's like, we know nothing is going to happen, you know, and she seems like she got mental health issues or something, you know, she not, or she could be high. Something isn't right because she's not acting right. But
and I was nice to you.
I gave you the chance to leave.
I shouldn't have to leave.
I didn't say put the shoes on.
Who the hell is this guy? He been following around the whole time.
This some fucked up shit. And mommy, you can believe, baby, I'm looking for this. Come on, it's okay. Yeah.
1095.
It's going down. When I get out,
you gonna go right back in.
No, baby, I ain't gonna go right back in.
Get in this car.
When I get out this time.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Let me guess, she ain't going back to jail.
Coat. That's not cool.
We'll get it.
My coat got my money in it. Can I at least have my cash? You want to tell me?
I'm gonna get it. I'll get it.
Can I stand here? You stand here?
No.
Make sure
I'll roll down. You can
it's
look
other officers.
That's fine. I'll get it.
My coat is
I understand.
Spencer,
Get in.
Spencer, can you get my coat, baby?
Get in the car.
And please put the money that I gave you on my books. Because I knew this was going to happen. And I was ready for this shit.
Get in the house.
And I was ready to meet up with everybody
Get in the
today.
car.
That wanted to meet with me.
Get in the car.
I loved your parade. And
Get
I
in the
enjoyed
car.
talking to the ones who enjoyed listening to me. I'm getting in the car.
Get in the car.
I'm going to get in here.
Get in.
What do you mean? I'm not fighting you.
in. I'm not
And what I'm doing is against the law.
Get in. Car.
Smith, D. Smith, this is
that's me, D. Smith. Get in the
This
car.
is so gross.
Okay, get in
This
the car.
is grimy.
Get in the car.
Who the hell is this?
Locking me up. What?
Get in the car.
Now.
Thank you.
Hold on. This must be her man or something. Hold on, he got her in order, boy. I think he yelled one time and she got it together, boy. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. I gotta rewind it. Wait.
Smith, D. Smith, this is
He grabs her chin.
This is so gross.
Okay, get in
This
the
is
car.
grimy.
Get in the car.
Y'all are locking me up. What?
Get in the car.
Now.
Thank you.
He grabbed her chin. Look, that car now. She got it. I don't know what that brother doing, but hey, okay. I just dropped a video earlier about the girl she drove past the stop sign or something like that or whatever, and her boyfriend came out and stuff and trying to calm her down. She don't listen to him for nothing. She just doing whatever. This one here, you see him? I don't know what he got going on, boy, but he doing his thing, boy.
This is grimy.
Get in the car.
Y'all are locking me up. What?
Get in the car.
Now.
Thank you.
The cop. Thank you.
Don't bother nobody. I didn't commit no crime. Didn't
Excuse me,
kick
brother.
nobody and fight nobody.
Father, calm down.
You got a jacket?
I see your mother.
Huh?
I see your mother. Yeah.
What? Oh. Man, you mother crazy, dog.
What the fuck?
Tripping, dog. I don't know what kind of drugs they on. They yelling and screaming in the square and shit. Like, yo, calm down, relax. She dry mouth. I just talking. Like, bro, chill. I don't even know her. I never seen him before. Or y'all smoking crystal meth or crack? What is it?
It's hard.
Crystal meth.
Yeah,
Okay.
and that's the only thing I have.
Okay.
You won't find nothing. Other than him, y'all was bothering. But I was talking about the Bible.
All right, let's go. Let's get in the car.
Talking about the Bible, and I'm getting arrested.
We good. We get in the car.
So let me ask you a question. She said I could have the option of going to gateway.
You had.
No?
Let's go.
Okay. Well, can we still? You got my wallet?
No, come on. I got the wallet. It's up there. Look up. Look in the front.
Can I have one request? Sister to sister and black person to black person. May I please stand here with y'all, knowing that I'm not going to run or try to do nothing. May I please smoke one cigarette? Because when y'all walked up, I was about to smoke a cigarette. Maybe you broke it in my hand. Mr. Smith, please.
I'll let you smoke one cigarette. Where's that?
Thank you.
I got to pick it out, though.
Spencer, please give him one of my new.
Give me a cigarette, bro. She want a cigarette.
What's going on?
Where you trying to go? Where you go, man?
Little man acting up.
What you doing, me, though? Look. Bro, I'm trying to go. You got it. You got it. Ain't no flip. I got it, man. Flip. I got it. Come on, look.
Ain't no way little man was acting up, man. Gotta give him a spanking.
I'm trying to go. Flip. What you doing, me, though? Look. Bro, I'm trying to go. You got it. You got it. I got it, man. Flip. I got it. Come on, little dude. I don't want to call you.
Come on, little dude.
You got that other arm? You got that? Hold it.
I got it.
Ain't no way little man raising hell too, man.
I was nice then, baby. I was over there talking about the Bible. Why when people talk about the Bible, they end up getting crucified or punished severely? Have you ever noticed that? Probably because you don't. Do you believe in the Bible? You do?
What's your date of birth? 0.
So you said your body cam caught all that, right?
Caught all what? Yeah.
So it caught you approaching me and me talking to not bothering nobody, standing up with my man talking to him, right?
Yep.
And it caught the fact that you walked up and told me to leave while everybody was meeting up and having fun, because this is where everybody hang around at these bars here. Everybody in this area drank. And the police let people walk around and drink their booze and party and smoke their weed and do whatever they do and smoke their drug of choice around in this area and do what they do as long as they keep their business to themselves. So the body camera is going to show that, right? You walked up on me without without a cause to arrest me, because I was standing there talking to my man and you walked up to me and told me that I was yelling. And then when I tried to show you the definition of yelling between talking loud and talking to my man, you arrest me because I was showing you the difference. And that wasn't disrespecting you, because that wasn't preventing you from doing your job. I wasn't getting smart with you. I didn't cuss you out. I didn't use any vulgar language or disrespect towards you. All I said to you, it's going to be on the camera, right? Of me saying, baby.
She even gave him a compliment. She said his hair looked nice.
I'm not yelling, this yelling, ah! And I didn't, and that's all I did. I said, ah, that's yelling, baby. And I said, I'm talking loud. So all that's on the camera, right? And then you arrested me for that. And then searching me illegally without cause, because I hadn't done nothing to deserve all of that, right? The approach.
What's your address?
Because this is a park.
What's your address?
This is a park.
What's your phone number? You got a phone number?
But everybody hangs at. And I was in the park hanging out with my man.
You got an address or a phone number?
Where everybody party at. Every day, all night. And I was doing what was normal with people in Savannah, Georgia. And got arrested for it, correct? So if I go and get me a lawyer in another state and get me a civil suit lawyer and get a copy of that body camera, you think I have a lawsuit against Chatham County for illegally detaining me, entrapment, or some kind of lawsuit? Because I didn't see somebody have a lawsuit for getting pulled over and not having the right cause to search them.
Oh shit. It's over, man. She is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, boy.